And that right there is how you quickly and easily make a balloon dog in only 3 twists. What's up everyone, I'm Joey and today I'm gonna share with you the fastest and easiest way to make a simple balloon dog. Now the only thing that this requires is 3 twists. First off, you're going to need your handy dandy balloon pump because it's really hard to inflate these twisting balloons with your mouth. Next, you're going to need to hit that like button for good karma, grab your supplies, and let's get started. I'm going to inflate my balloon to leave about a 4 to 5 finger length tail. For your first twist, you're going to fold your balloon down so that it's about the length of your hand, probably a little bit longer. Grab it in the middle and squeeze with one hand, and with your other hand, grab the top of this loop and twist it around. That's gonna be your dog nose and head. Oh, by the way, make sure you're starting on the end of the balloon with the nozzle, not the tail. If you start on the end with the tail, you're gonna run into some problems. Next, grab your dog by the neck right here, about the same length as its nose. Use your other hand to fold the balloon up so that you're going to make a loop the same size of the loop that you just made. Squeeze it and twist it with your other hand. Now, it doesn't matter what orientation it is right here, we're going to do the exact same thing that we just did. Measure the same length as your nose and neck and grab the balloon right here. Then use your other hand to make your last loop the same size as the loops that you've done before. Squeeze it and with your other hand twist around that loop. Now, this doesn't really look like anything, so we need to orient it to make it look like a dog. We want our last 2 loops on the bottom for the feet, and we want our nose facing forward. And that right there is how you quickly and easily make a balloon dog in only 3 twists. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my channel for some more fun and easy balloon tutorials. Drop a comment to let me know your thoughts. You can check out some of the contests that we're doing and the supplies that I use in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you in the next video.